know, we've talked about this before, Saborno, but what's your favorite element on table S?
I would probably give it to krypton.
What information do you find on that table about krypton?
So like the first ionization energy, the electronegativity, the melting points, the boiling point, the density, and the atomic radius.
What do you notice about the density of krypton?
Let me see. The density of krypton is really low compared to other elements in its period.
Why would you say it's low?
Well,
Or what do you know about krypton in its natural state?
wait 1 second. So let me look at the actual periodic table. So krypton in its natural state is a noble gas.
That's correct. And what's another element that would have a higher density compared to krypton?
Bromine.
Okay, so go look that up on table S.
Yep. So that's number 35, which is actually the halogen, like before.
So if you guys look at element number 35,
Almost 3.1 grams per cubic centimeter.
compared to krypton, which is?
0.003 grams per cubic centimeter. So, like for example, hydrochloric acid and potassium hydroxide would make potassium chloride or KCl in water.
Absolutely. What would the pH be of your final mixture?
7.
Thank you guys very much.
Thank you so much.
Tell you very honestly, chemistry isn't his love. As you can see on the board, math and physics is really his intense loves. So chemistry is one thing that he kind of just toys around with. And when I see a child like him, perform on tests, perform on midterms, and we haven't got the AP results yet because we don't get them until the summer. But on our biggest assessments this year, he would do in the top highest percentile in the class. For someone who, and I don't want to say this the wrong way, but his energies aren't diverted to the AP chemistry class as much as the average student who's in my class. Because the average student, AP chemistry is their toughest class. But Saborno does AP chemistry on top of going to other universities in his spare time. So I'm not going to say that chemistry is a hobby to him or he disrespects it. It's just not at the top of his priority list.